Right, what's going on, family? So this chart right here is showing us that Tesla has further to fall. We're going to break down this stock analysis for Tesla. So welcome everyone to the channel. Today's your first time seeing my video, my content. Welcome. This is what I do. We do price prediction without the confusion. So if you guys want to learn more, or if anything, you want to have a heads up as to where we're suspecting the market to go for multiple stocks, then make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you all follow me. So check this out. Well, there's no price prediction on our chart right now for Tesla. But obviously, given the news about Elon Musk and the thing that he's been doing, it has had a negative impact on this business. And if he continues to act the way that he's acting, it's not going to go well for Tesla or any of the other businesses that he has. That's one reason why this stock could have further to fall, because when you look at the price action in Tesla, it's telling us that people aren't believing in Tesla like they once did. The hype of having autonomous EV vehicles is waning because Elon is tainting the reputation of his companies and his business. And that might tarnish Tesla into perpetuity. Tesla may not ever recover from the image that Elon has placed on himself, thereby on all of the other entities that he controls. Okay? So maybe the market is telling us, hey, we need to shift. It's time for us to pivot. We need to move our money to a more safer investment. That's what the market is telling us with Tesla stock right now. Since the high of this stock being right here, December 18th, 2024, to the low of March the 11th, the stock has lost 55% of its value in a very short period of time, from December to March. A quarter. 55% of the value is gone. People are leaving the stock. And we're not just talking about retail investors. We're talking about people who hold Tesla in their pension funds and their 401ks. Hedge funds are leaving this stock. Let's go ahead and look at this though. So as I zoom out, we can tell that Tesla is now trading below this long-term trend, right? So let me see if I could take it down here. Look at this. The market momentum in Tesla has severely changed. Don't let people come and tell you to buy this stock dips, because it's not done dipping yet. It's not showing us that. Back here, since April 2024, the market in Tesla was in an uptrend. Well, just recently we broke that trend. So this stock is no longer trending higher. Okay, this is a stock that is trending down. As you can see, we are trading well away from this downturn though. So we may see an actual bounce in Tesla to where we can see it test this downtrend line. That's a 37% run up. Like, that's cool. But understand, you need to know when to come in and buy the stock and when to sell it. Right? You're going to have people in here trying to tell you to buy the stock and hold it for the next 6,000 years for Tesla. So let's go ahead and update this chart real quick. We're going to get rid of these two pockets of buying because we didn't see the buyers support the price in Tesla. And we're going to add a couple of sell pockets. One right there. It looked like the buyers are trying to come in now, March the 10th and the 11th. You guys can tell by the increased volume and how price has been elevated or consolidating, trading this way, that they may be trying to buy the market now. All right, so now let's look at Tesla real quick on the weekly. Okay, so yeah, like I told you, this stock may be trying to bottom out right now. These people who bought Tesla back in September of last year, they're trying to do it again, right? Because the last time they came and bought Tesla, the market ran completely berserk and went all the way up to almost $500. So maybe those people still think that this is another buying opportunity, because they definitely came through and bought. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Tesla on the 3. This right here is cause of concern for those who think that we hit the bottom. that 3-weekly price bar. Here it is on the 5. Look at this 5-weekly price bar. Okay, here it is for the month. So let's not get it twisted. This stock is still bearish, but in the near term to short term, we can see a bounce. I'm telling you that right now, because this volume is massive. We got this indication of weakness on the week of March the 4th on this 5-day bar, but then the next 5 days, the market actually went up. So yeah, there's buyers trying to come into the market in Tesla, at least in the short term. Okay, so here it is on the 5-hour chart. Test on the 3. You can see here on the 3 hours that this is where these sellers are hitting the market too. And the 3:30. So yeah, we might get another move down to get a bounce in Tesla before we see the resumption to higher prices. But as right now, I don't see any indication that this stock is trying to go up in the hourly charts or even on a minute chart. Alright, so let me look at this on the daily again. So yeah, we're going to look for Tesla to continue to go down. Let me see where we could get a sell pocket right in this area. On the 30-minute chart. Alright, so a sell pocket will have to be created like right around . Okay, so we're going to anticipate lower prices in Tesla, right? But like I said, I'm cautious to see whether or not the market buyers are going to support this stock right there around $223. If they support the market there, cool. That's about 6% there. We'll take the bag. If they don't hold at that pocket, then we're going to try to look for it to come down like 208, 210. That's 12.25% move down there. Then our third target would be $193 at 18.63%. So like I said, we want to see, I'm be paying attention to see if this market's going to hold one of these first two pockets. If that happens, then like I told you already, we can see a market try to bounce to the upside in Tesla. So let's see what Elon does. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.